What if I told you there's an AI tool designed specifically for teachers and students to save hours of work? Today we're exploring Magic School AI, a platform that promises to revolutionize education with AI. Does it live up to the hype? Let's find out in this detailed review. Magic School AI is an AI-powered assistant built for educators, offering tools to simplify lesson planning, grading, communication, and more. It's designed to save time while maintaining high-quality, personalized learning experiences. Key features include the lesson plan generator, which creates structured lesson plans in seconds, the rubric generator for grading criteria, the AI quiz maker for instant quizzes, the student feedback tool for personalized comments, the email and parent communication assistant for quick drafts and differentiation suggestions to adapt lessons for diverse learners. Now let's talk pros and cons. The biggest advantages are that it's a huge time saver, teacher-focused, unlike generic AI tools. Currently free to use and user-friendly with no steep learning curve. On the downside, it has some limitations. Outputs may need manual tweaking. It depends on input quality. Garbage in, garbage out, and there may be privacy concerns regarding student data. Here's how to use it. First, go to Magic School AI and sign up for free. Then choose a tool like the lesson plan generator. Enter your topic, for example, 5th grade math fractions, and generate your content. Refine as needed. So is it worth it? My final verdict: Magic School AI is a powerful tool for teachers who want to work smarter, not harder. While not perfect, its time-saving benefits make it a must-try for educators. What do you think? Have you tried Magic School AI? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more AI tool breakdowns. See you in the next video.